Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect a subdomain to your app in Hostinger Horizons web app builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. From this list, I can see all the available web apps and websites on this web hosting plan. Now, to connect your subdomain to your app, click on this Edit Web App button next to your web app in Hostinger Horizons. From this page, click on this Publish button from this corner and wait a moment. My app is published successfully, and below this, I have the option of connecting my domain name. Click on Get Domain, and from this page, fill in your subdomain. My subdomain is app.benstutorial.com. This domain name is already connected to one of my websites built using Hostinger website builder on the same account. It shows me the status of free subdomain. This means that I can use this subdomain. Select it. Just to let you know, this benstutorial.com domain is already registered on Hostinger and also on the same Hostinger account. If your domain name is registered on another domain name registrar or do not point to Hostinger, in this step they will detect that and they will ask you to change your name servers to Hostinger. This step is very easy. They will let you know, or the two name servers that you need to change on your domain name DNS settings, and wait a moment for the name server changes to take effect. So here, just be patient if your domain do not point to Hostinger. In my case, it is already pointing to Hostinger because it was connected to another website on this same Hostinger account. Now click on Next. As you can see, domain added to your site. Click on Continue. Now click on Publish again. View site. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain, also SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this, plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you can see, my website As you can see, I should give it a little moment for the subdomain connection to fully work. So now, as you can see, this long URL turned to my subdomain, and if I click on it, I will access my web app live using this subdomain. And this is how to connect your subdomain to your app in Hostinger or Horizons. If you still have a questions, leave it in the comments below, and see you in the next video.